Do not look at laser beams. They can ruin your vision. I will review some of the things I'm doing with the Bosch Revolve2000 Laser Level. Everything you need is securely packed in a case, batteries included. There are also ceiling mount and target tools that I have not used, so won't be reviewing. Startup is one button push. The unit flashes all lights red, then switches to two flashing green lights while it auto levels. Goes to solid green when the level is complete. If you touch the transmitter, it can off balance and force a re-leveling. A remote control unit allows changing all the settings without causing any re-leveling. In manual leveling, the X and Y lights become red, and here I'm adjusting the X plane. Here I'm adjusting the angle of the Y plane. There's no indicator of the angle you're using, so you have to set that up on your own. Setting the angle can be a handy reference for drainage. The laser can rotate at low speed, regular speed, or high speed, both counterclockwise and clockwise. It can also be set to a single beam, useful for aligning intermediate markers on a fixed line. Here I've set the laser in vertical mode so I can get a line based on an existing cable penetration of a wall. You see, I like to use painter's tape because I can peel it off without leaving marks behind. With the laser back in horizontal mount, I can now mark out a position so that I can measure exactly where the corner of that rock is. On the interior wall, we can use the cable penetration as a base point to begin laying out the location of the rock that's on the outside. The laser in vertical mode again, we can go about locating that corner of that rock on the inside wall. With the position of the outlet outside marked on the inside, we also now know where to drill the hole to bring the power cable in. Moving outside where it's too bright to see the laser, we use the receiving unit. That chirps rapidly when you're too high, slowly when you're too low, and a steady tone when you're within the range you've selected. You can select from 1/32 of an inch to an inch of sensitivity. The receiver unit has a bubble level that you can use to ensure you are properly vertical before taking a measurement. The bubble is visible from the top as well as from the bottom. The receiver has the same display on the back as on the front. Measurements can be taken as high as 13 feet. Again, using the fast and slow beep, we can simply raise the measuring unit and then by hand raise and lower it to get an estimate of how far up and down we want to move the receiver so we can get it into the correct measuring range. Trial and error, we can accomplish this without a great deal of delay and do it all with one person. With the GRL2000 range of 1,000 feet from the transmitter, you can cover an area of 72 acres. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe if you want to see what other foolishness we may get up to from time to time.